Hey, what's up, everyone, and welcome. So, I'm about to take on a pretty big professional challenge, and I thought, you know what? This would be way more fun if I brought all of you along for the ride. So, let's get into it.
And I'm not kidding when I say this could be an adventure. This isn't just about memorizing facts from a book. This is a journey that could seriously level up your career path in the tech world. And the best part? We're going to do it together, every single step of the way.
All right, so I've decided it's time to set a new goal for myself. It's a pretty big one, and honestly, it's been on my to-do list for a long, long time.
That's right. I am officially going for my BICSI Installer 2 Copper certification, and I am absolutely taking you with me. I'm going to document this whole thing, breaking down every single chapter, every concept into these explainers. So consider this your official invitation to our new virtual study group.
Now, I know exactly what some of you are probably thinking right now. BICSI? What in the world is a BICSI? And you know what? That is an excellent question. Let's clear that up right now.
So before we get way ahead of ourselves, let's just pump the brakes and break down what BICSI even is, and more importantly, why it's such a huge deal in our industry.
So the official definition says BICSI is all about information, education, and knowledge assessment for the ICT industry. And ICT, that's information and communications technology, which is basically a fancy way of saying everything that has to do with data, voice, and video. They're the ones who make sure we all know what we're doing.
And here it is. You can see it for yourself straight from the source. It's got all these big formal words, right? Advancing the ICT profession. It's a whole lot of corporate speak. So let's translate that into plain English.
Okay, here's the real deal. In simple terms, BICSI basically writes the rule book. They set the standards for how things are supposed to be cabled and installed all over the world. They give you the training to learn it, the certifications to prove you know it, and they connect everybody in the industry. So yeah, they're kind of a big deal.
Which brings us to the really good part, the actual prize, the professional superpower you get when you have a BICSI certification on your resume. Just take a look at this list of credentials. I mean, these are recognized all over the planet. You got everything from an Installer 1 all the way up to the legendary RCDD. And right there, see it? That's our target, Installer 2. That right there is a mark of a real pro. And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Being certified proves you are proficient in the latest standards. It's a signal to employers, to clients, to everyone that you know how to do the job right. In other words, it is a massive career booster. So the big question is, how are we going to conquer this thing? Well, every great quest needs a map. And believe me, we've got one.
That's right. Everything we need to know, all the standards, all the stuff that's going to be on the test, it's all inside one single legendary book.
Behold, the Information Technology Systems Installation Methods Manual, 8th edition, or, as we're going to get to know it very, very well, the ITSIMM. This thing right here is our guide, our textbook, our everything for this entire series. And let me tell you, this thing is an absolute beast. Seriously, on the left, you've got the table of contents, the chapters we're going to cover, and on the right, that's just the beginning of the acronym section. It's dense, it's detailed, and we are going to tear it apart together, one piece at a time. So if you're ready to level up your skills, if you want to boost your career, and if you want to finally understand what all those acronyms actually mean, then I am officially inviting you to join the crew.
And it's super simple. Step 1, hit that follow or subscribe button so you don't miss a single thing. Step 2, smash that like button on this explainer just to let me know you're on board. And step 3, get hyped because we are diving straight into chapter 1. You got it. Our very next explainer is going to tackle chapter 1 of the ITSM Principles of Transmission. We're going to start at the very beginning and build this knowledge up from a rock-solid foundation. I am so pumped for this. Thank you for joining me, and let's get this done.